Another problem is internationalization. Here's an example. What day is 02/03/16? In the US, you probably meant February 3rd, 2016. But in Europe, you probably meant the 2nd of March, 2016. Or maybe you were talking about 1916 because there's a Y2K issue going on. And so what the date notation means and how the day has to be displayed varies depending on where you are. A little more subtle, but just as tricky, is if you're displaying a calendar, the first day of the week could be a Sunday or a Monday, depending on where you are. And there may be even other variants I don't know about. Even moderately recent dates are not necessarily on the same calendar. China has a traditional lunisolar calendar, complete with a leap month, and translating from those dates to Western calendar dates can be challenging. There's a litany of other internationalization issues, and the point is if your system is going to be used anywhere but your home country, these are the kind of things you have to worry about. You have to worry about AM, PM versus 24-hour clock. So some countries traditionally use 24-hour clock, some use 12. The military often use 24, even if it's in a country that usually uses 12, and so on. You have to worry about English versus metric units, and some countries have mixed units, English for some, metric for others. You have to worry about currency signs, numeric notation. Some countries use a decimal as the radix point, others use a comma. You have to worry about character sets. Are you ASCII or are you 16-bit Unicode? You have to worry about keyboard data entry because different keyboards have different layouts. And you have to worry about whether text is displayed left to right to left, top to bottom, and so on. A more subtle and potentially very tricky thing is dealing with gender in language. Some languages, not including English, have gender built into different forms of nouns. They have different verb forms depending on how personal or formal you wish to be, and so on. And there's the issue of gender identification. Think hard before you commit to a system which has two boxes. One says male, one says female, and the user is required to pick one of them.